Hey guys, here to do my second opening. I was gonna say this for tomorrow for my locals, but yeah, right. Alright. So there's other ones. Here's this. I'm going to open it. Sorry, that was kind of loud. 10. Open 10. What's next? Was Z monster? Plastic thing. Promos and backs. Rest of 10. You guys have already seen what's in here, but I'll do it again. Okay. 3 dualities then. Well, 2. I traded one for Bionic. But the Master, the Paladin guy, Pistia, that guy, and Pot. And your Pot. There. There's that. I'll do the same order I did last time. Hidden Arsenal first. Fuck my life. Unicorn. That's my third one. Secret Guards of the Ice Barrier. Neo Flamfell Hedgehog. Thanks Ally Solid, and Draconic Brandistock. Alright. Ready for another unicorn? Nope. It's something. No, it's okay. General Gantella of the Ice Barrier. Dragoon Pylon. Fabled Nudzichi. Sacred Spirit of the Ice Barrier, and Dragoon Partisan. Okay. So far, nothing. Extreme Victory. They always open so easy. And nothing in that one either. GG was Super Over Dragonfly. That's my third one of those. No, second. Just traded one of those too. Alright. Ooh. That is cool. Alright. Another gold effects. And I know no one's running it, but maybe. Legendary 6-star Shin Ultimate. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, that is a really cool pull. I mean, I just love the look of that card. Yeah. Another pull something. Kind of. Why in every pack? This is weird. Ting Nashnir, that's it, but it makes 2 of those. That's weird, it's the same thing, same rares I got in the last packs. Alright, well, that's everything. Yeah. Got 2 Zen Master, I got all this stuff. So, you guys want anything, just PM me. I'll make a binder video soon, because lots of stuff has changed. But yeah, everything's for trade. That's all I have to say, so I'm going to end this. See you again.